Welcome to Office Chalao video training course. Office Chalao is a self-explanatory and support-free CRM and task management software. This is the third video explaining chapter number 3 covering second section in the employee management. In this chapter, entering basic detail of the employees is explained. Admin can only enter the username of the employees and password of the employees can complete other details. Bulk insertion of the employees is available.
Detail submenu. The detailed help as usual is provided in English as well as in Hindi here. Before adding the employees, the user must know about the type of employees on the basis of their work role they play. Based on such classification, there can be four types of employees which are OE, that is office employees who will perform the tasks, ME, that is marketing employees who will work on the leads, OM, that is office plus marketing employees who will perform both duties of office and marketing employees, and AD, that is admin who will control the working of all employees. For adding the employee into the system, the admin can click on add employee button and enter the necessary details such as name of the employee. Department by selecting appropriate option of the department that we have recently added from the drop down. Branch by selecting appropriate option of branch from the drop down. You can select the designation also from the drop down options here. Enter the location in the location tab. Then the email of the employee here. The admin will then have to set the username and password of the employee, which will help the employee to log in into the system. The admin needs to add only the mandatory fields while adding the employees, which are name of the employee, department, designation and branch, username, password, role, whether OE, that is office employee, OM, that is office plus marketing employee, ME, that is marketing employee, status, whether active, inactive, terminated or suspended. The employee can change or add other details such as contact details, address, profile picture, etc. from the Edit Employee Profile tab as explained in Chapter 1. The admin will fill the necessary details and then click on Save Changes. Here is the employee that we just added. To edit the employee details, click on Edit button, and for instance, if the mobile number of the employee is to be edited, make necessary corrections and press on Save Changes. The changes will be saved. You can also edit other employee details and click on Save Changes. The changes can be visible here. To make the employee inactive, click on Cross button. The employee will be transferred to the Inactive Employees Details tab. I'll show the list of inactive employees to you later in this video. The employee that we just added is not visible here. Admin can also add the employees in bulk. For this, click on Download CSV file for admin. I will just open and show it to you. Here also the admin needs to add only the mandatory fields in the CSV file with the given format. Name of the employee, department designation branch, username, password, role whether OE, OM or ME, status whether active, inactive, terminated or suspended. Admin will then have to save the CSV file and then upload the CSV file for adding the employees in bulk by giving the path of the file. Here I have a ready CSV file which we will upload here for adding the employees in bulk. Click on Browse for giving the path of the CSV file that you have created and click on Upload. The employees will be added into the system. Here are the employees that we just added into the system in bulk. You can also sort the list from ascending to descending or vice versa by clicking on the titles of the column. To take the backup of the employees, select Show All Entries and click on Backup Employee Basic Data by Export to XLS. I will just open and show the file to you. This is the complete list of employees present in the software. Here are the employees that we added into the system in bulk.